How to set reminders on Monday.com. In this video, we're going to be quickly going through Monday.com and we're going to be learning on how you can set reminders. Now, if you want to use Monday.com for yourself, please do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, once you have gone ahead and created an account and you're started off with Monday.com, these are going to be your notifications or alert sections where you're going to find all of your reminders or notifications. So, to set a reminder for yourself, let's say there's any specific task, right? So, I'm going to go ahead and open up this task. And now, once you have opened up this task, there are 2 to 3 ways to set reminders for yourself. Now, there could be reminders through automations that you can keep. So, what we're going to do is you can either go over to the Monday Marketplace, and here you can search over for something like reminder. Okay. And as you can see, we have all these applications for reminders. So let's say I'm going to go ahead, install this app. It's called Remind Me. And what it does is it reminds the users on what's going on and what they're going to need to do. Okay. So simply go ahead and install it. Now I'm going to go ahead, start with my own workspace, add this application straight into it. And once we've done that, as you can see, Remind Me has now opened up and you can access it from this section. Just go over to Remind Me. And once you're over here, you can start creating reminders for your applications. Now, to create a reminder, again, simply go over to any task or any section that you want to keep a reminder for. And once you come over here, you're going to go ahead to these options that they provide you. And what you're going to do over here is once you've added Remind Me properly or any application, in that case, it's going to show itself over here and give you the privileges to create a reminder. Now, another way you can create a reminder is by clicking on this bell icon over here. So let's say there's this project over here, right, with the task. So you're going to click on these bells. And let's say I'm going to keep a reminder in 20 minutes. Now, it says you will be notified in 20 minutes from now. So basically, that is how you're going to set reminders for yourself on Monday.com. So again, if you want to use this platform, make sure to check the link down in the description below to use Monday.com for yourself right now. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.